What's up, guys? This is Jake, and today we're taking a look at the Tide Pods detergent, specifically the Spring Meadow scent. So I actually started using Tide Pods not too long ago. I used to use regular detergent, and one of my favorite things about the switch is that I've actually started saving a lot of money using these instead of other detergent because I'm not wasting detergent. Now, unfortunately, I can't show you this, but typically when you get these and you open up the top here, there's a little flap that comes out. I actually tore mine out, unfortunately, but it tells you kind of three different sizes, and depending on the size of the load, how many of these pods you're going to put in. You can see the pods right here. And again, they look different depending on the scent. I've probably tried 3 scents now, and Spring Meadow has been my favorite of them. So it is the one I recommend if you're trying to decide maybe for your first scent or hadn't tried this one. I think it's definitely worth checking out. You'll see here that is a 3-in-1 detergent, stain remover, and color protector. I've never had an issue with things coming out not smelling clean, or I've never had really any issue with the washing process using these. Literally all you do, depending upon the size of the load, is you put one of these pods, and I'll grab one here. You take one of these pods, you drop it straight in with your laundry, or 2, max 3, again, depending on the size of the load. You drop them in, and it simply dissolves. No need to measure your detergent, no need to not have enough so they don't get clean, or have too much so you're wasting. It's very, very simple. It's easy, it's faster. To me, it's kind of a no-brainer after you've tried this and regular detergent to stick with this. This one right here, you can see, comes with 81 capsules. There's some basic safety and warning stuff you're welcome to check out. If you'd like to pause, you can do that. But overall, if you're using regular detergent, I suggest switching to pods. If you've already used pods, but not specifically these, I think they're worth trying. They've been my favorite so far. So guys, hopefully this helps you make a wise buying decision if these are right for you or not.